Now our next type of angle is alternate interior angle. The same transversal line of two parallel lines and the angle made in that, and what type of angle, which angles will be our alternate interior angle, that we will understand in this video. So what are alternate interior angle? Alternate interior angles कौन से angles होंगे? Angles that have different vertices. वो angles जिनके vertices क्या होंगे different. You all know what are the vertex. These points, this will be the vertex of the different angles. ठीक है? And second points are on the opposite side of the transversal. This is a transversal. You know this is a transversal. So there are two sides of the transversal, that is left and right. So these angles should be on the opposite side. One should be on the left and other should be on the right side. ठीक है? Lie between the two lines. और वो क्या करना चाहिए? दो lines, the two parallel lines, they should be lie in between them. मतलब they should be lie on the interior of the what? The two lines. Two lines जो है उनके interior में lie करेंगे. ठीक है? So if you see in this two lines L and M parallel lines, there is a transversal K, and this transversal is cutting at L at this point, L and M at this point. So there are the various four angles for this L and the four angles for this M. If you see, there are angles 3 and angle 5. If you see, these are the angles 3 and 5. They have a vertex, this one. 5 has a vertex, this one. 3 का vertex ये है, 5 का vertex ये है. So these are the two angles which are having different vertexes. Same way 4 and 6. 4 and 6 के भी हैं दो angles हैं जिनके vertex क्या हैं different है. And are on the opposite side. If you see, 3 is on the left side of the transversal and 5 is on the right side of the transversal. Same way 4 is on the right side and 6 is on the left side. And they should be lying between the two lines. If you see that these two angles 3 and 5, 4 and 6, these angles are on different vertex, opposite sides of the transversal, and they are lying on the interior. कहाँ lie कर रहे हैं बेटा? Interior में lie कर रहे हैं. किसके? Two parallel lines के. L और M के क्या? Interior में lie कर रहे हैं. 3, 4, 6, 5. These are all lying on the interior of the two parallel lines L and M. Hence we can say that since these two angles, these two pair of angles are what? Satisfying these condition. Different vertices are on opposite sides of transversal, lie on the lie in between the two lines. Hence these angles, what? 3, angle 3 and angle 5, angle 3, angle 5, and your angles 4 and angle 6, they are what? Alternate interior angle. We call them what? Alternate interior angle. हम क्या बोलेंगे? Alternate interior angle. Now these are the alternate interior angle of which? These are the alternate interior angle of two parallel lines. Alternate interior angle किसमें? Two parallel lines में. So alternate interior angles of a parallel lines are equal. जो alternate interior angles होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Equal होते हैं in the parallel lines. So hence we can say that angle 3, this angle 3 is equals to what? Angle 5. So angle 3 है और angle 5 क्या? Alternate interior angle. Hence these two angles are what? Equal. Same way angle 4 and angle 6 are what? Also the alternate interior angle of this parallel lines. Hence since the alternate interior angle of a between the two parallel lines are equal, hence angle 4 will be equals to what? Angle 6. तो angle 4 और angle 6 क्या हो जाएंगे बेटा आपके? Equal हो जाएंगे. Same way angle 3 is equals to what? Angle 5 by the alternate interior angle property of a parallel lines. ठीक है? So अगर if you see the two angles which are alternate are equal, अगर two angles क्या होंगे? Equal होंगे. ठीक है? And they are alternate, तो we say that the two lines on which these angles are made, they will be what? Parallel. इनका opposite भी क्या होगा? Same. कि अगर दो lines दो angles which are alternate are equal, ठीक है? They are equal. So the two lines in which they are made will be what? Parallel lines. वो क्या होंगे? Parallel lines होंगे. और जो दूसरा ट्रिक है फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द अल्टरनेट एंगल को फाइंड आउट करने का जो दूसरा ट्रिक है, दैट इज जेड. वो क्या है आपका? जेड. अगर ये जेड है, दिस इज अ सिंबल ऑफ जेड. इफ यू सी इन दिस जेड टू एंगल्स आर मेड, दो एंगल बने हुए, वन इज एंगल दिस एंड वन इज एंगल दिस. तो जो जेड शेप में बनने वाले एंगल्स होते हैं, दे आर व्हाट? इक्वल. इफ यू से दिस इज एक्स, सो दिस विल बी आल्सो व्हाट? एक्स. सो सेम वे इफ यू सी इन दिस फिगर, अगर हम देखें तो ये क्या बन रहा है बेटा? दिस इज ऑल्सो जेड. ये भी क्या बन रहा है बेटा आपका? जेड बन रहा है. इफ यू से दिस इज अ जेड मेड, ये क्या बन रहा है आपका? जेड बन रहा है. तो वी से दैट since this is z is made and in this z two angles are there, that is 3 and 5, so these angle 3 and 5 will be what equal. ठीक है, तो ये z जो बन रहा है उसमें जो एंगल बन रहा है that is 3 and 5, they are what equal. Same way if you say this one, अगर हम इस वाले फिगर को भी देखते हैं, अगेन z is making, यहाँ पे भी क्या बन रहा है बेटा आपका, अगर हम देखें यहाँ पे भी आपका क्या बन रहा है बेटा, अगेन z is there. So this angle 4 and angle 6 जो है वो इस z में बन रहा है, तो hence we will say that the angle 6 and angle 4 are what alternate angle and they are what equal. तो आपको कोई भी चीज़ देखने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए, अगर z is making, अगर आपका z बन रहा है तो we will say that this angle, if this is a y, so this will be also what y. But these two angles, these two lines should be what parallel. ये लाइन क्या होनी चाहिए बेटा आपकी, पैरेलल होनी चाहिए, तभी ये क्या होंगे, इक्वल होंगे. I hope you all understood the concept of alternate interior angle. Now we'll move to the next topic, that is co-interior angles in the two parallel lines.